after each stage of those chromosomes, that I know that something unique has come out. So though I may have the characteristics of my mother's smile and my father's eyes, I have my own identity. So where the brother was going at and reached conflict at is, I'm my own person. I'm not my mother or my father. I'm not my mother and my father. I am myself. But to add on to what Jamal was saying, that I do have the qualities and the principles of the dominating factor from both of them, which makes me unique. Because the 23 chromosomes that are aligned in my body, they signify something of a detail of the person and the character that I am, which are different from my father alone and my mother alone. But collectively, I do have, we call it the best part of them. So doing the knowledge on Knowledge Day, I've come to understand that, chromosomes, the way the chromosomes work is you have two chromosomes fighting for one spot. The dominant overrules the recessive. That's right. But not in all events, so. Because if you look at chronologically, that the dominant don't always win, because inside you have recessive genes. So recessive exists. A lot of times we think dominant and recessive, like the dominant overthrows the recessive, because the recessive is equal energy, just in a different form, such as you have masculinity and femininity. A lot. In certain cases, because a lot of us don't understand that the black man, woman, and child produce estrogen. So that recessive gene still exists. So it's not always dormant. Majority of the cases it is dormant, but not in all cases it's dormant. Now we know and understand, for those that are not clear, dormant means to just be in existence but not really to exist, or not to produce.
Not really expressing itself.
Exactly. So dormant is without expression. Well, everything is emotion, but its motion is so slow. Its motion is so slow that it's barely detected. But at the same time, even that dormant gene has a moment. Such as, like, you can have since we talk about biology, you can have a moment where you have what's the word I'm looking for? You can have like a cancerous lump in you that's benign, which is dormant, but then at the same time, they keep checking on it because pressure, activation, blood cells, oxygen, these are the things that activate. And then it could get neurological communication from another cell, which will make it actually active. So, in summary, because I ain't going to get up here and do Rock Hill, that's Rock Hill. Where's my brother Rock Hill? It's so funny coming in here and somebody actually built it. But I'm not shooting down my brother Rock Hill because I love him. But, wow. Nice, walk in and actually build it for them. Anyway, back to the Knowledge Day. Y'all doing the knowledge, so y'all want some knowledge. But the thing he touched on that I really want to touch on is the psychology aspect, what he said, bipolar and schizophrenia. A lot of times you look at schizophrenia as being, I guess, a sub-outlet of multiple personality, but schizophrenia is not. It deals with hallucination, hearing voices. The person that's really not within themselves. That's when they try to be their mother and their father, hypothetically. And bipolar is when a person has two different personalities and they fight for occupancy. A person that has, a person that wants to